Welcome to my channel. Today we're exploring the United States, a vast and diverse country with incredible destinations to offer. From iconic cities to stunning natural wonders, the US has something for everyone. Let's dive into the 10 best places to visit in this amazing country. 1. New York City, the Big Apple. New York City is a must-visit with its iconic landmarks and vibrant culture. Stroll through Central Park, visit the Metropolitan Museum of Art, and see the bright lights of Times Square. Don't miss the Statue of Liberty and a trip to the top of the Empire State Building for breathtaking views of the city. 2. Grand Canyon. The Grand Canyon is one of the most awe-inspiring natural wonders in the world. Explore the vast, colourful expanse of the canyon from various viewpoints, or take a hike along the trails. For a unique experience, consider a helicopter tour or a rafting trip along the Colorado River. 3. San Francisco. San Francisco is known for its picturesque scenery and iconic landmarks. Walk across the Golden Gate Bridge, visit Alcatraz Island, and explore the charming neighborhoods like Fisherman's Wharf and Chinatown. Don't forget to ride the famous cable cars for a true San Francisco experience. 4. Las Vegas. Las Vegas, the entertainment capital of the world, offers non-stop excitement. Explore the famous Las Vegas Strip, catch a world-class show, and try your luck at the casinos. Visit the Bellagio fountains and take a day trip to the nearby Hoover Dam for a change of pace. 5. New Orleans. New Orleans is renowned for its vibrant culture, music, and cuisine. Experience the lively atmosphere of the French Quarter. Enjoy live jazz music on Bourbon Street, and savor delicious Creole and Cajun dishes. Don't miss the historic St. Louis Cathedral and the annual Mardi Gras celebrations. 6. Yellowstone National Park. Yellowstone, the first national park in the world, is famous for its geothermal features and wildlife. See the iconic Old Faithful Geyser, explore the colourful Grand Prismatic Spring, and spot bison and elk roaming the vast landscapes. The park's diverse terrain offers endless opportunities for outdoor adventures. 7. Miami. Miami is known for its beautiful beaches, vibrant nightlife, and cultural diversity. Relax on the sandy shores of South Beach, explore the Art Deco architecture of Ocean Drive, and experience the lively atmosphere of Little Havana. Enjoy a boat tour of Biscayne Bay and visit the nearby Everglades National Park. 8. Washington, D.C. Washington, D.C., the nation's capital, is packed with history and cultural landmarks. Visit the National Mall to see the Lincoln Memorial, Washington Monument, and the U.S. Capitol. Explore the Smithsonian Museums, including the National Air and Space Museum and the National Museum of American History. 9. Chicago. Chicago offers a mix of architectural marvels and cultural attractions. Take an architecture tour along the Chicago River. Visit Millennium Park to see the famous Cloud Gate sculpture and explore the Art Institute of Chicago. Enjoy the city's diverse culinary scene and beautiful lakeside parks. 10. Honolulu. On the island of Oahu, Honolulu is a tropical paradise with beautiful beaches and rich Hawaiian culture. Relax on Waikiki Beach, visit the historic Pearl Harbor site, and hike up Diamond Head for panoramic views of the island. Enjoy local Hawaiian cuisine and explore the vibrant art scene. Thanks for joining us on this tour of the top 10 destinations in the United States. We hope you enjoyed discovering these amazing places. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more travel content. Share your favorite US destination in the comments below. See you on our next adventure.